Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with Anna and Mark. And welcome back to day 2 of our 30-day English challenge.
Hi, everyone. Yesterday, we learned the English alphabet. That was the foundation.
Today, we're learning something very useful and very important, how to say hello and introduce yourself in English.
These are the first words you use when you meet someone, at school, at work, online, or when traveling.
Exactly. This lesson will help you make a good first impression. Saying hello. Greetings. In English, there are many ways to say hello. Some are formal, some are casual.
Let's start with the most common ones.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello is neutral. You can use it with anyone. Hi.
Hi.
Hi is more casual. You use it with friends, classmates, or people your age. Good morning.
Good morning.
We say good morning from early morning until around 12 p.m. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
We say good afternoon from 12 p.m. until around 6 p.m. Good evening.
Good evening.
We say good evening after 6 p.m. or at night. So remember, hello equals always okay. Hi equals casual. Good morning, afternoon, evening equals more polite. Saying your name. Now let's say your name.
You can say,
I am Anna.
I am Mark.
I am is correct and clear. You can use it in any situation. You can also say,
I'm Mark.
I'm is short for I am.
In real English, people usually say I'm, not I am. It sounds more natural.
Practice. Repeat after us. I am,
I am,
I'm.
I'm.
Say your real name out loud. Speaking is very important for learning. Asking someone's name. Now, how do you ask someone's name?
You say,
What is your name?
or simply,
What's your name? What's is short for what is. Native speakers almost always say what's. Nice to meet you. After you hear someone's name, you say,
nice to meet you.
This is a polite expression. It shows respect and friendliness. Simple conversation. Now, let's put everything together. Listen first. Hello, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Mark. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too equals me too. I'm happy to meet you.
Your turn. Now you try. Hello, what's your name? Great. Mini exercise. Answer these questions out loud.
Ready?
Hello, what's your name?
Nice to meet you.
Final practice. Say this out loud using your name. Hello, my name is...
Then add, nice to meet you.
Now imagine you meet someone new. Ask the question,
What's your name?
Great job! You just learned your first real English conversation.
If this lesson helped you, share this video with anyone who wants to learn English.
We post daily lessons to help you improve step by step.
Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss day 3.
See you tomorrow.